How do I filter query objects by date range in Django? I've got a field in one model I. Now I need to filter the objects by a date range. How do I filter all the objects that have a date between the 1st of January 2011 and the 31st of January 2011?
Use. Or if you are just trying to filter month-wise. Edit. As Bernhard Valency, if you want a query set which excludes the specified range ends, you should consider his solution, which utilizes gt/lt greater than / less than.
You can use Django's filter with datetime.date objects.
When doing Django ranges with a filter, make sure you know the difference between using a date object versus a datetime object. _range is inclusive on dates, but if you use a datetime object for the end date, it will not include the entries for that day if the time is not set. Returns all entries from start date to end date, including entries on those dates. Bad example since this is returning entries a week into the future, but you get the drift. We'll be missing 24 hours worth of entries depending on what the time for the date fields is set to.
You can get around the impedance mismatch caused by the lack of precision in the datetime field/date object comparison that can occur if using range, by using a datetime.time delta to add a day to last date in the range. This works like as discussed previously. Without doing something like this, records are ignored on the last day. Edited to avoid the use of datetime.combine, seems more logical to stick with date instances when comparing against the datetime field, instead of messing about with throwaway and confusing datetime objects. See further explanation in comments below.
Django queryset.